Hey, what's up, good people? I know I said I wasn't going to be on today, but I have some news that I must tell you about right now. And while I have you, I'm going to talk about a few stock things. But listen, the doctors are meeting with the oncologist for my dad, for those of you that want to know, and I'm going to talk about stocks right after this. And it is not pancreatic cancer. It's actually lymphoma. So there's tumors in that area that they are giving him chemo right now to treat it. So I really want to thank you guys, because at least there is a glimmer of hope. But my dad's up there in age. He's 83, soon to be 84 actually. And so continue to pray for my dad. Prayer works. I'm gonna just say that right now. So thank you guys so much. So we're just gonna take it day by day right now. He's lost a lot of weight, and they administered chemo on yesterday, and so we got to meet with the oncologist. I just want to put that out there as soon as possible. Okay. So meanwhile, this morning I want to talk about a few things that's going on in the market. While I have you, might as well. And then I'm still going to take this weekend off, and I'll see you guys on Monday. I won't be posting anything Sunday. Palantir hit 200 today. Okay. Palantir hit 200. Some of us have had it since 10. Actually, my first share was 7, and it ran up to about 14. I sold it like back in 2021. But Palantir hit 200 today. And I do want you guys to know that there will be some selling. 200 is a psychological level of support. That doesn't mean that we can't break it and keep going up, right? And so analysts will start to, of course, adjust their prices, but upward. But I will tell you that I've always believed it was a $200 stock, and we are here. Personally, I'm not selling anything right now. I may put some stop losses on, trailing stop loss on, like really tight, maybe like 5%. I might do that, not on all of it, but a portion of it. I believe that there's a lot of headroom left for Palantir as they continue to do more and more government contracts. The NASDAQ is up at the time of this, and the S&P is up. So this is the point that I was giving you guys on yesterday, how it takes the market 48 hours after a Fed meeting to decipher what is really going on and where the market fair value should be. So I just wanted you guys to know that. That's what I think is going on right now, and it happens all of the time. It does happen all of the time. So hopefully you didn't make any hasteful decisions and panic and sell, because this is normal, right? So let's keep it going. I did a put this morning with Rigetti. As I was sitting, I wanted to keep money moves fed. Even though I'm taking a break here, I still take care of money moves, the people in money moves. That's going to be the second link below. That's where you actually see all my plays. But I think that, well, the fact is, the people that take stock up you learn how to earn for themselves, and then come over to money moves and learn, or you can see my plays on stocks, crypto, whatever, and options now. And then you can just, it's up to you to follow if you want to. Now, one of the things I want to tell you about Rigetti, I did a put on Rigetti and walked away with 41%, right? The earnings, hear this, the earnings for Rigetti is November 10th. So November 10th is Rigetti's earnings. That's coming right up, right? So then you have IONQ. Their earnings is November 5th. So IONQ earnings is before Rigetti earnings. They're both into quantum computing. If you pull up a chart, you'll see every morning, especially with Rigetti, you'll see a run up and a run down. So I've been running that play, rinse and repeat. Run it again, rinse and repeat, with the exception of yesterday. So we ran that same play again. That's in money moves. And I showed where it was the best place to buy if you were going to short it. Okay, so that's what I did. All right, so we had some negative things that's going on in the market, and I'll get back to some positive things. Is that Trump's meeting about these tariffs with China was lackluster. There's nothing concrete that came out of it. And that's another thing I thought that was weighing on the market yesterday, along with Fed Jerome Powell saying that basically a rate cut in December is not 100% sealed, okay? He's saying don't count your coins yet. So the meeting between President Trump, or should I say the US and China, over these tariffs it was lackluster. There's no deals done yet. It was just calling truce, right? Like, we're not gonna go any further. But I think some people are saying the tariffs are here to stay, but at what rate, okay? Tariffs will be okay, but at what rate, all right? And so that's what the market is concerned about. Here's something else that I want you all to know. Hopefully I can get this up before close as I go back to see about my dad. 2 of the Fed governors, okay, so the Fed has a board, and 2 of the Fed governors came out speaking negatively about the interest rate cut. They both said, one a gentleman and one a lady, they both said that the Fed should not have done a 25 basis point cut like he did on Wednesday. And they were citing rising inflation. And so because of rising inflation, they're saying that the Fed should not have done any rate cuts. Now that could weigh on the market even as soon as close or Monday. So if another Fed comes out and give a dismal report and say that the Fed shouldn't be cutting because of inflation, then even one more Fed coming out either now or over the weekend could cause us to have a red day Monday. So be aware, okay? I don't have a crystal ball, but be aware of these things. Now, there's something to be made in all of this, okay? So here's what's positive about the market. Earnings. Look at what Netflix did. Not Netflix. Not Netflix. I'm saying, I said it 2 times. I'm trying to be a better communicator. It was Amazon. Look at Amazon, okay? Amazon is up, and Amazon is doing nicely. Amazon was up as much as 11% today. Don't know where it is by the time you watch this, and don't know where it's going to be by close, but Amazon is performing well, and it looks well in our portfolios, okay? So that's about it, good people. If we continue to have good earnings, then that is enough to lift the market or keep the market up, right? In spite of dismal talks between the US and China as it pertains to tariffs. And if the Fed gives any hint or any daylight that he will continue with these rate cuts, he's actually expected to do 3 more, okay? 1 more in December and actually 2 more. He's expected to do 2 more at this point. 1 more in December. There is no November FOMC meeting. Just remember that. And then 1 next year, okay? And then after that, he's saying data dependent. So, man, I'm praying that inflation doesn't rear its ugly head back up, though signs are showing that it is, as the jobs are weakening. The good thing for us, as far as the Fed, but not for Americans, is the job market is weakening. And so that's good because the Fed may be lowering interest rates based on that data. Follow? But it's bad for Americans losing their jobs. And so let's just be clear. I would rather Americans have their jobs and not have that pop in the market. And I know some of you may not believe that, but listen, this is losing a job, and especially with the massive layoffs that all of these companies are. Just think about this. Amazon is doing layoffs, and the stock is up 11%, just like I was telling you guys. The stock can be going up because the first thing they do is they try to show that they're operating leaner by cutting jobs. So they're cutting jobs, and they go, see, because they're raising more capital, and then the stock goes up, and they give you bolsterous future forecasts, and the stock goes up as people are getting laid off. So that's the only thing I don't like about it personally. I'm just keeping it real. All right, good people. So I really want to thank you guys again. I really want to thank you guys. I was looking at something in Philippians about think on these things. Okay, I don't have it in front of me. My mind is a little scattered right now, but think on these things. You guys look at that. All right, it may not be in Philippians, but my mind is all over the place. But everything I just said, I'm pretty straight on, right? So I wanted to let you guys know again, my dad has a lymphoma, and he has tumors around the pancreas area that's been causing him problems in the lower chest area, and they are aggressively going after that, and I will keep you guys posted down the road as he goes through these chemo treatments. Again, this is his second bunch of them, but this time it's only 2. All right, I love you guys for real though. Live, love, laugh, and learn. I will see you on Monday. I am going to take the weekend off. I will see you on Monday, but listen, use coupon code LEARN, because we come in, we make money with options. I talk about options in Stock Up You, and I'm teaching it. We just downloaded 2 more classes since the last video, and we're downloading more classes. Take them as they're downloading. Use coupon code LEARN, LEARN, because that is my Black Friday sale starting now. Make sure you look at everything that's in it. Go to the checkout page. Don't look at the price that's posted. Go to the checkout page, put that coupon code in, then you will see the final price, okay? It's a nice chunk off, a nice discount. And then if you don't have the money now, you can actually buy now and play later and make money with our plays, all right? All right, so that is what I want to tell you. And we'll see you again. I thank you for your prayers. Prayer works.